I received the product on time. I love the price and it is just what we may need in an emergency. Hurricanes are a real thing here and I hope not to need it, but I feel better knowing that we have it. It has a lot of rice dishes, but it's all good food. I recommend a good pot stirrer. Not like I just bought, but one that will give you good heat distribution and spare your arms the repetitive motion injuries of food preparation. Our family tried 3 of the items in the container, to make sure we liked them, and we were pleasantly surprised. Did not contain the banana chips. But did contain a sugar substitute which I consider an upgrade. Looks okay, haven't tasted it yet. Click link in description for more reviews.